standing more than 5 meters tall. The giraffe seems perfectly designed for its towering neck. But evolution rarely begins with perfection. A longer neck creates enormous problems. The heart must pump blood nearly 2 meters upward against gravity. The neck becomes heavier. The body requires stronger bones. Even something as simple as drinking water becomes dangerous. If long necks are so expensive, why did evolution keep making them longer? The earliest ancestors of giraffes looked nothing like the giants alive today. More than 20 million years ago, they resembled small deer with relatively short necks. One of the closest known relatives, Canthumeryx, stood little taller than a modern antelope. Its neck was only slightly longer than other browsing mammals. There was nothing extraordinary about it. Over millions of years, new giraffids appeared. Species such as Giraffokeryx and Palaeotragus gradually evolved longer legs and longer necks. Not dramatically, just enough to browse slightly higher vegetation than their competitors. Every generation gained only small advantages, but evolution had begun moving in a new direction. As Africa became drier, dense forests slowly gave way to open woodlands and savannas. Food near the ground became less reliable. Leaves high in acacia trees remained available long after lower vegetation had disappeared. Animals that could browse just a little higher often found food when others could not. But food was only part of the story. Male giraffes compete in violent battles known as necking. Swinging their heads like massive hammers, they strike one another with astonishing force. The winners gain access to mates. A slightly longer, slightly stronger neck didn't just reach more leaves, it also won more fights. Natural selection and sexual selection began working together. Contrary to what many people imagine, giraffes didn't evolve extra neck bones. They still have only 7 cervical vertebrae, exactly the same number found in humans. Instead, each vertebra became dramatically longer. The muscles strengthened. The ligaments expanded. The shoulders shifted. The legs lengthened. The heart grew extraordinarily powerful, capable of generating blood pressure nearly twice that of most mammals. Specialized valves evolved inside the blood vessels. Without them, simply lowering the head to drink could flood the brain with dangerous pressure. Every new adaptation solved another problem created by the previous adaptation. Today, the giraffe stands as the tallest land animal alive. Its neck allows it to feed where few competitors can reach. Its height provides an early view of approaching predators. Its powerful neck decides battles between rivals. Every part of its body, from its heart to its blood vessels to its skeleton, works together to support a design that once seemed impossible. Evolution rarely builds one extraordinary feature. It builds everything needed to support it. A longer neck demanded stronger bones, a stronger heart, higher blood pressure, specialized blood vessels, new ways of moving, new ways of drinking. The giraffe didn't evolve because nature wanted a taller animal. It became tall because, generation after generation, every small advantage was worth the cost, until one ordinary browsing mammal became the tallest animal to ever walk the African plains.